What's the meaning of contraceptive? Contraceptive. Contraceptive.
Contraceptive. Contraceptive. Contraceptive refers to any method or device used to prevent pregnancy. There are many types of contraceptives available, including hormonal options like birth control pills and intrauterine devices, IUDs, as well as barrier methods like condoms and diaphragms. Some contraceptives require a prescription, while others can be purchased over the counter. Using a contraceptive can help individuals and couples make informed choices about when and if they want to become parents, and can also reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections. Overall, contraceptives play an important role in promoting reproductive health and well-being.